have to identify the correct statement with reference to enzymes. Option A, holoenzyme is equal to apoenzyme plus coenzyme. Now, a holoenzyme is the active form of an enzyme that consists of an apoenzyme, which is the protein part, and a coenzyme, which is the non-protein organic molecule which is necessary for the activity. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, coenzyme is equal to apoenzyme plus holoenzyme. This is incorrect because a coenzyme is a non-protein organic molecule that is associated with the apoenzyme, but not the combination of apoenzyme and holoenzyme. Option C, holoenzyme is equal to coenzyme plus cofactor. It is also incorrect as already stated. A holoenzyme includes an apoenzyme and a coenzyme and not a coenzyme and cofactor, because cofactors are inorganic ions that may assist enzyme activity but are separate entities. Option D, apoenzyme is equal to holoenzyme plus coenzyme. This is also incorrect because an apoenzyme is an inactive protein part of the enzyme, not a combination of holoenzyme and coenzyme.